Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm making this beautiful ladybug painting with alcohol ink and some markers, and I will show you step by step on how to make this painting. And before we start with alcohol ink painting, these are some safety tips on making alcohol ink art. So make sure to pause the video and read it fully. And for the paper, I'm using this ultra premium high gloss paper from Staples, but you could also make the same painting in Nara or Yupo or any synthetic paper. And to blend the alcohol ink, we need a solution. So that solution is the isopropyl alcohol, that is 91% isopropyl alcohol you get from pharmacy stores, and that's what you use to blend the alcohol ink. And I put it in a small container. And you remember to use the back side of the photo paper, not the shiny side. So first, before we start, I'm making a basic drawing of a ladybug. Just some wings and the body. And I'm using fine liner marker for this. Just any thin marker will be okay. And these are alcohol ink based markers, so it's easy to blend with alcohol ink. So that's why I'm using this type of marker. Once you draw the basic drawing, then we will start with the coloring. And I'm using this color called Glacier, almost like blue, which I usually put it on the side on a piece of wax paper. When you put it on the side, you can easily control the amount of paint that you put on the drawing paper. That's why I'm putting it on the side. And you can use any other kind of blue that you have if you don't have the exact color Glacier. And I'm using another color, Mermaid, almost like a teal color. So these two colors I'll be using for the ladybug. And I usually roll a piece of wax paper and use that to dip the paint and add the color to the drawing paper. So that way you don't need to ruin the brush. You can easily toss it after you make the painting. And for drying, I use this air pump, which I got from Amazon. You can search by silicone air pump or something in Amazon. You can buy it. So basically, I'm just drying the paint. Add drops and dry. And add these two colors alternatively, the mermaid color and the blue color. So now I'm adding some isopropyl alcohol on the side so that I can dilute the blue and get a lighter shade. So whenever you want diluted shade, you just remember to mix it with isopropyl alcohol and then follow the same process that I'm doing. And here I'm using air pump, that is basically a can of air that you get from hardware store, and if you blow it, it blows the alcohol ink. And that's a different technique for blending the alcohol ink. So you can search in the hardware store. It's called can of air. So once you blend it with the alcohol ink and then blow it, you get this kind of stroke for making wings and feathers and things like that. So now I'm using these Cali art markers, which are alcohol ink based markers, to make the fine lines for this drawing. The advantage of alcohol ink markers is that it blends with alcohol ink. I mean, it blends with the isopropyl alcohol. That's why I use these markers. And now I'm using another color called botanical green, and also applying in the form of a leaf, and then again I'll be blowing with the air can.